Hi children, this is the fourth day of 7th class mathematics. The topic is multiplication of integers. So in the first class, in the first day, we have discussed about the what are integers, why do we use them. In second day, we have understood means I have explained addition of integers. Third day, subtraction of integers. So finally you found that addition and subtraction is not any different. First we will remove the brackets and then we will mix them, means merge them, means we can think that as simplification. If there are lot of numbers also, we can simplify them and we can make it into one single number. So that is only called addition and subtraction also. The next topic is multiplication of integers. Now we are going to discuss about the multiplication of integers. So how to multiply the integers? So before talking about the integers, whatever we know, we have discussed about that first. So what means 4 threes are 4 into 3. So immediately you can say the answer it is 12. Can you say how do you get 4 threes are 12? It is multiplication means the continuous addition is called multiplication. Means 4 threes, you can read it as 4 threes are 12 means 4 threes. Threes. How many threes? 4 threes. So how do you get this answer? 4 threes he will take. 1 3, 2 3, 3 threes, 4 threes. 4 threes are means 4 threes if you add we will get 12. That is the meaning of multiplication. What means 5 fours are? So you will say that 5 fours. How many? 5. What fours? 1 4, 2 4, 3 fours, 4 fours, 5 fours. 5 fours together will become 20. That is called as 5 fours are 20. This is the way of multiplication of natural numbers are like that. Suppose you see that 3 20s are 3 into 20. What means it? 3 20s. How many? 3. What? 20s. So 120, 2 20s, 3 20s. Together will become 20 plus 20 plus 20 will become 60. That's why 3 20s are 60. So 2 50s are, what are that? 50s. How many? 2. 50 and 50. Two 50s together. 50 plus 50 will become 100. This is called the multiplication of numbers. Now we will discuss the multiplication of integers. Integers means specially these are also called integers, but specially negative numbers will come in the integers. So we will discuss about the negative numbers now. So now as usual same what we have done, 4 into minus 3 we have discussed. 4 into minus 3. When we have written 4 into 3, what we have taken? 3's 4 times you have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. You added. As it is, what should we do here? Minus 3's 4 times you have to take. Minus 3 and minus 3 and minus 3 and minus 3. These are, we need to add them. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. And I said to you yesterday in the yesterday class, how to remove the brackets. It is minus 3. And it is, you see here, plus and minus. Yesterday I have discussed when two symbols are there, we will convert it into single symbol. Plus and minus will become minus 3. Again same as it is, plus and minus will become minus 3. Plus and minus will become minus 3. You know that when minus are there, we will add all positives and all negatives. But here no positives are there. That's why we will add all negatives and write 3, 3, 3, 3, 12. All negatives you are adding. That's why we will keep minus 12. So that's why 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12. 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12. Same like that, 5 into minus 4. As it is. The second number, we will write first number of times. Second number is minus 4. First number of times means 5 times. Minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 4. We will remove the brackets. First one single symbol, plus and minus will become minus, plus and minus will become minus. Like this we have written, and we have observed that here all are negatives only. So that's why what we will do, we will add and we will keep the negative symbol. 4 plus 4 plus means 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 together 20, and symbol is minus. So this is the way of multiplication of the integers. Means one positive and one negative. The situations are like that. Positive and positive we need to be multiplied. Negative and positive we need to be multiplied. Positive and negative we need to be multiplied. Negative and negative we need to be multiplied. These all process we have to learn. But here you see, first we have learned positive and positive multiplication. Positive and positive. So this is done. And second time we have learned that here positive and negative. This is like that, positive and negative. So this is a way of doing, but final way we can't write like this elaboratedly. Without elaborating, easily we can find answers. That is how I will explain here. Listen carefully. Simple. You see here, 4 into minus 3 is there. The answer how I will say, 4 3s are 12 number. Sorry, before that we use the multiple symbols. This is plus, you think, plus and minus. So yesterday I said that to you, when two symbols are there, minus and minus, when two symbols are there, I have said to you, plus and plus will become plus, plus and minus will become minus, minus and plus will become minus, minus and minus will become plus. When two symbols are together side by side, then we will get the single symbol. I said, I think you remember. In that way you can use this. What I am going to say here, simple way, multiply the symbols first. Plus into minus, plus into minus, plus into minus will be minus, plus into plus will be plus, minus into plus will be minus, minus into minus plus. You just remember this, write it in your notebook and remember that, then multiplications are very easy to understand. So these are what here you see, plus into plus is equal to plus, and plus into minus will be minus, minus into plus will be minus, minus into minus will be plus, plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. Very easy. Here it is plus, nothing is there, that's why plus. Plus into minus minus, 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. Simple. So if I give to you 3 into minus 8, what do you say? It is plus symbol. Plus into minus minus, 3 8s are 24. Simple answer. 4 into minus 6, you will say that it is plus symbol. Plus into minus minus, 4 6s are 24. Plus 5 into minus 20, plus into minus minus, 5 20s are 100. This is a very easy way to do the multiplication of integers. So note it down, these examples, and in order to elaborate like that, simply we can give the answer in this way. The next thing, we will try to understand now what we have learned now. Positive positive completed, positive negative completed. Now we will try to learn negative and positive, negative and positive. This is also very easy. I will say the can get the answer here. See, first of all, I am writing here 4 5s are 20. You know very well about this. Next, now I am going to write the sequence. Observe that what is the sequence I am following. Can you say what is the sequence I followed? In the questions, what is the sequence I followed? First number I am decreasing, second number as it is, and I am multiplying. That is the sequence I am following. Find out the answers. What is the answer sequence? 20, 15, 10, 5. Means what is happening here? 5, 5 decreasing. From number to number, 5 is decreasing. 20 to 15, 5 decreased. 10, 5 decreased. 5, 5 decreased. Now, can you continue the sequence like that? Yes, easily we can continue. How? Because it is into 5, same. But this number is going to decrease. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now again this number will be decreased. Minus 1. You know, decreasing means after 0 what you will get? Minus 1 into 5. Next what you will get? Minus 2 into 5. Minus 3 into 5. Minus 4 into 5. But I don't know the multiplication of negative and positive. Positive and negative I know, but negative and positive I don't know. But when we follow the sequence in the questions, you can get the answers also in sequence that we have learned from addition and subtraction. When we followed the sequence in questions, answer also will follow the sequence. What is the sequence is following here? 5 decreasing means 20. 5 numbers it came back 15. Next 5 numbers it came back 10. 5 numbers it came backward again 5. 5 numbers it will come backward. What will come? 5 numbers backward. That what it will give is 0. 0 to again 5 backward. It will be minus 5. Again minus 5 to 5 backward. It will be minus 10. Again from minus 10 to 5 numbers backward. It will be minus 15. Same like that. It will be minus 20. See here. This is a positive and positive. Now we have learned here negative and positive also. Negative number, positive number, we got answer. Negative number, positive number, we got answer. See here, negative and positive. This is also easy way. Without any sequence, easily we can answer it. How you see here? First, there is nothing symbol, plus. Minus and plus. Minus into plus. It is here. Minus into plus. Minus into plus will become minus. That's why answer minus. Next numbers 1 5s are 5. Next minus into plus minus and 2 5s are 10. Minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15. Minus into plus minus 4 5s are 20. So this is also we are following in the same pattern. But you found the answers in the sequence here. Not only sequence, without using sequence also we can answer it by using this symbols table. Plus into plus will become plus, plus into minus will become minus, minus into plus will become minus, minus into minus will become plus. And now the another method, that is, now finally you have found this here, something here. What is that? Minus 4 into 5 will be equal to minus 20. In the before sequence, minus 4 into 5 will be equal to minus 20. So now I am continuing the sequence you see here. Minus 4 as it is, and I am taking 1 less here. Same as it is, and I am taking 1 less. I am following the sequence by changing the second number, by decreasing the second number by 1. Minus 4 into 2, this is as it is and it is decreasing. Minus 4 into 1. You can give the answers by using this methods too. See here, negative and positive means minus into plus. minus into plus will be minus 4 5s are 20. As it is minus into plus minus 4 4s are 16. Minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. Minus into plus minus 4 1s are 4. Now I will continue the sequence in the questions. How? This is minus 1, minus 4 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, next 0. Next, minus 4 into 0 next, minus 1. Next, minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 4. So I followed the sequence in the questions. Then answer also will follow the sequence. What is the answer for answer? What answer? What is the sequence? This answer is following, you observe. First number minus 20. You know the number line pattern. So where will be the minus 20? 0 is here. Where will be the minus 20? This side. Now next answer is what? Minus 16. So where it move? Forward or backward? Yes, it is going to forward. Minus 16 will be this side. Minus 16. 4 steps forward. How many steps? 4 steps. Next, minus 16 to minus 12. Where will be the minus 12? Forward. How many steps here again? It is 4 steps. Means what is happening here? Every 4 steps it is moving forward. Forward move like that. Minus 20, minus 16, minus 12, minus 8, minus 4. Forward 4 steps again. Then it will go for 0. Again 4 steps forward. 0 to 4. 4 onwards 4 steps forward. 8. 8 onwards 4 steps forward. 12. 12 onwards 4 steps forward. 16. So this is the way we are getting the answers, but observe carefully. Without sequence also you can say the answers here. See, it is what? Minus into minus. Here is there. Minus into minus. Plus. That's why answer will be plus. 4 ones are 4. Minus into minus. Plus. And 4 twos are 8. That's why answer is plus 8. Minus into minus plus 4 threes are 12. That's why answer is plus 12. Minus into minus plus 4 fours are 16. That's why the answer is plus 16. So finally we understand that without any sequence, without any number line, without any idea, easily only by learning this table you can answer the multiplications. Only by answering this table, what is this table, you can say to me. You see here, when you multiply two positive numbers, multiply two positives, the answer will get positive only. Plus into plus plus. Multiply two negatives, we will get the answer is negatives. Where are the negatives? Is here. Negative and negative. When you multiply minus into minus, what you are getting? Positive. When you multiply two positives also, we will get positive. When you multiply two negatives also, we will get positive only. But when we multiply one positive and one negative, one is positive, one is negative, then the answer will be negative always. See here, one positive and one negative. Plus into minus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. So you have to remember this. These sentences are this table. Plus into plus will be plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Two positives if you multiply, you will get positive. Two negatives if you multiply, you will get negative. One positive and one negative if you multiply, you will get negative. Now see the examples. Minus 20 into minus 3. What should we do? First, multiply the symbols. Next, multiply the numbers. What are the symbols are there here? Minus and minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Next, multiply the numbers. 20 into 3. 23s are 60. Simple. Minus 5 into plus 4. First you should multiply the symbols. Minus into plus. See here. Minus into plus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. Next, multiply numbers. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. And plus 6 into minus 4. First you should multiply symbols. Plus into minus. Plus into minus will be minus. And numbers 6 fours are 24. Plus 7 into plus 8. First, what should we do? Multiply the symbols. Plus into plus. Plus. Multiply the numbers. 7 8s are 56. This is the simple way of multiplications. What should we do? First multiply the symbols, then next multiply the numbers. Multiply the symbols and then multiply the numbers. Some more examples I am going to give here. Minus 3 into 4. What should we do? First multiply the symbols. First symbol minus. Second symbol nothing is there, means what is the meaning of that? Positive. If there is no symbol, that is called positive. Minus and plus. Minus into plus will be minus. And numbers 3 fours are 12. Minus 6 into minus 8. Next, first we should multiply symbols. Minus and minus. Minus and minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Next, multiply the numbers. 6 8s are 48. Next, plus 3 into minus 4. First, multiply the symbols. Plus into minus, minus. Next, multiply the numbers. 3 4s are 12. 5 into 6. First, what should we do? Multiply the symbols. Plus and plus. Plus into plus, plus. Next, numbers. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. So, this is the way of multiplying the integers. What is the main way? Main thing, what should we remember? Multiply the symbols, then multiply the numbers. Multiplying the symbols by using this table. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. And then multiply the numbers and write the answer. Okay? When we multiply more numbers, what is the process? So when we are listening the video classes, when we are watching the video classes, don't listen continue class at a time. Step by step. When you have started up to one topic, you stop it. If you understand well, you can go for another topic. If you didn't understand, repeat it from first. After understanding that first topic, then go for the next topic. Means within the 30 minutes video, first 5 minutes or 10 minutes you try to understand. If you understand well, then go for next 10 minutes after. If you don't understand, repeat that part only one or two times. After understanding, then go for the next topic. Then after understanding, then go for the next topic. Whenever you want to write on the board, write in your notebook, hold the video and write it. Okay, next. Now I am going to say about the more. When you are multiplying more numbers, minus 3 into plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to, I am multiplying 3 numbers are there here. It is also the same method. The first thing you need to multiply the symbols, next multiply the numbers. Same way, multiply symbols, multiply numbers. Multiply the symbols. Minus and plus. Multiply minus and plus. Minus into plus. You will get minus. Up to here you got minus. Now again one more minus is there. This minus and minus. Minus into plus you got minus. Then minus and minus. Minus and minus will become plus. So finally multiplications, when you multiply you got plus. And when you multiply the numbers, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. And one more. Plus 6 into minus 2 into minus 3. First we should multiply the symbols. Here it is plus, minus, minus. At a time we can't. Step by step. First plus into minus. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus again minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus you will get minus. This minus and again this minus. Minus into minus will become plus. Next numbers. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. First we should multiply the symbols. Multiply minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Plus into minus will be minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. The final answer is minus 8. If you multiply the two negative numbers, we will get the answer plus. If you multiply the three negative numbers, we will get the answer minus. Because you see, plus minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. If you multiply the four negative numbers, we will get plus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus again plus. If you multiply the five negative numbers, we will get minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. I think you understood here. If you multiply, so now can you say, if I am multiplying 17 minus numbers, 17 negative numbers, so product, after multiplying, if you get the answer, that is called product. Product of 17 negative numbers, what do you get? 17 negative numbers will be what? Positive or negative? Yes, it is negative. Why it is negative? You have discussed that now only. Two negatives when you take, we are getting positive. Three negatives, negative. Four negatives, positive. Five negatives, negative. Try to understand here. Three negatives, negative. Five negatives, negative. Seven negatives, negative. Nine negatives, negative. 11 negatives, negative. Means base number of times if you multiply, you will get negative only. If you multiply the minus, how many times? Base number of times. Base number means odd and even odd number. Odd number of times. Odd number and even number. Odd number of times. 17 is odd number. Odd number of times if you multiply, you will get negative. Suppose if you multiply the product of 26 negative numbers, 26 negative numbers will be, what do you get, positive or negative? Yes, it is positive. Why it is positive? Because It is even number of times. 2 times minus and minus plus. 4 times minus minus plus minus minus plus 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 plus. Even number of times if you multiply the negative number, you will get positive. Odd number of times if you multiply the negative number, you will get negative. So try to understand this, and I think easily we understood how to multiply the integers. So once again I will revise you simple things. This one table you just try to remember. Easily we can answer any type of question. So multiplication of integers is simple process. The process is first multiply the symbols and then multiply numbers. Simple way, multiply symbols and then multiply numbers. Multiplying symbols by following this table. Multiplying numbers, you know the method. So once again, 2-3 examples I will explain. Minus 2 into plus 3 into minus 6. First we need to multiply the symbols. Minus into plus. Minus, you got minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Next numbers. 2 3s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus 7 into minus 8. What should we do? First multiply the symbols. Minus, and here nothing is there, it is called plus. Minus into plus will be minus. Numbers next. 7 8 are 56. Minus 30 into minus 20. First we need to multiply the symbols. Minus into minus will become plus. Next we need to multiply the numbers. 30 20s are 600. So you can remember that multiply the symbols and write the symbol. Multiply the numbers and write the number. By using this table, multiply the symbols, then multiplication is very easy. The whatever I have said, the basics, everything, if you forgot, no problem. Final one thing you remember, multiply the symbols and then multiply the numbers. So this is called multiplication of integers. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.